Here's Alex. Where's Kayla? I thought she was going to come play with you, Alex.
Yeah.
And here is Will. Hello, Will.
Found me.
Find you. Where are you? You're looking at the light too? You are noisy, Will. Now we're going to shoot back over to Will. I'm over here. Come out. And here's Alex. And now we're going to go find Bless You. Bless you. Now we're going to go find your big sister.
Ah, where is she? Where's she hiding, Mama?
I don't know. Oh, I think I found her. Peek. I found you. Whoops.